The Suzuki GS500 is a versatile and well-regarded motorcycle, known for its balance between performance, ease of use, and affordability. Introduced in the mid-1980s, the GS500 became a popular choice for both beginner and intermediate riders due to its manageable power delivery, lightweight design, and straightforward mechanics. At the heart of the GS500 is its 487cc parallel twin engine, which provides enough power for city commuting, highway cruising, and weekend rides. The engine produces around 50 horsepower, giving the bike a top speed of about 100 mph. Its engine is known for being smooth and reliable, with a good mix of low-end torque and higher-end revs, making it accessible for riders with varying skill levels. The GS500 features a simple, air-cooled design and has a 5-speed gearbox, which allows for easy gear shifting and precise control. The bike's compact size and relatively low seat height, around 30.9 inches, make it an ideal choice for shorter riders or those new to motorcycling. It offers a comfortable and upright riding position, contributing to a relaxed experience on both short trips and long rides. In terms of suspension, the GS500 is equipped with telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers, offering a smooth and stable ride. While not as advanced as some of its more modern counterparts, the suspension is more than adequate for everyday use, handling various road conditions without excessive bouncing or harshness. One of the standout qualities of the GS500 is its simplicity. The bike features a minimalist design without excessive electronics or complex systems, which makes it easy to maintain and repair. This quality appeals to both DIY mechanics and riders who appreciate a bike that's straightforward and dependable. On the road, the GS500 offers a relatively smooth and predictable ride, with good braking performance from the front and rear disc brakes. It's stable at highway speeds, though it's not designed for aggressive cornering or extreme performance. However, its handling is nimble enough to make it enjoyable for daily commuting and casual weekend rides. The Suzuki GS500's durability and relatively low cost of ownership make it a popular option for used motorcycle buyers. It's an ideal platform for riders looking for a reliable and affordable first bike or a secondary commuter motorcycle. Though it has been replaced by more modern models in Suzuki's lineup, the GS500 remains a well-loved and respected machine for those who value simplicity and reliability.